I'm tired. Tim's gonna be here in like 15 minutes, and so I've got to pack because we're going to Greymouth today. We're gonna pick up my bed and see all Tim's family. That'll be fun. I'm currently lying on all my clothes. I came out of the dryer, but it's such a nice day, so I like dried the rest of them on my best, you know, air dried for the extra freshness. Got to pack. I've got to bring Articulate. Have you guys played that? It's so fun. Honestly, gets a bit competitive though. And what else do I need to bring? There were 2 things I have to bring. And I've already forgotten that. I already forgot Articulate this morning, and Tim reminded me of lunch. But there was something else. Oh my god, it's literally the dream. Just lying here. I really need to get up and pack. We need to hit the road. I've pre-packed all our lunch. I've never been so organised in my life. I've pre-packed 2 wraps, 1 each for us, chopped up pineapple, a pear each, chopped up carrots with dip, and then I put the rest of my barbecue chips into the container, but the container was too small and they're kind of squished, so they're kind of like crumbs. Anyway, I will see you packing. Oh, my battery's gonna die. I'll see you on the car.
All we have is nothing, sometimes nothing's all you need. When you're stripped of all your armor, you can finally feel the breeze.
Snack time. Carrot? I think that's yours. It's okay.
You can feel it, feel it. Oh, yeah, I know you feel it. 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 And it goes 1, 2 step. There's no time for regret. And it goes 1. You know I love you, I'm your slave. You know that I need you night and day. Hey, 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 baby, why did you leave me this way? But how far, little girl, please don't you worry about me. But goes up and calm down. You know heartache, they'll come around. Hey, 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 baby, yeah. Why did you leave me this way? But how far, little girl, please don't you worry about me.
Midgies.
What are they called? Midgies?
Midgies.
Midgies.
Flies.
Feels like a whole swarm of them. We're off to the movies.
There's no mistaking, you're the only one I want. The only one I want.